Welcome back to Puerto Rico. I am going for a beach walk with my son, and this is very impromptu. I'm going to try to vlog and record the whole time without editing or stopping. Like, I'm going to just leave this, pause it, continue, and try to vlog like that. Let's see how far I actually get without having to edit. Let's see if we can do this. I'm not sure. I lo dudo, pero está bien. Just a quick one. I just wanted to show you guys something relaxing, easy, without really much to say. Just show it. So I'm back in my car. I'm back in my car. So that means I have my hands free. So maybe I can record getting it. Sorry, this is like, we're gonna have to edit because now I just recorded sideways.
I know we're ready to go. It's gonna be big like a Puerto. We're gonna be big like that.
Sí, ¿verdad?
The caiga, nothing.
Rojo is cutting the grass now. I thought it was somebody else cutting the grass, but it's working. So we're putting my gate. It's alright. This is what I named my daughter Gitana after this song de Rico. Mira luna que mira, te calientas. I hope I don't get copyright hit for this song. Okay. Mira esto que lindo. It's hot, Sancho. At this time, sure that it's hot. Did you get excited to be walking? Okay. Wow, I thought this was gonna be so much more like relaxing and quiet, but it's not. Espérate, voy a quitarme esto. So by the way, we are in Combate, Playa Combate in Cabo Rojo. It's sunny. We were all the way over there. Estamos ahora like in a nice quiet part. We're going to stop here and just walk back and forth here and then. And there's a throw seashells. There was a couple. JJ picked up goggles thinking that they were lost, but they actually belonged to a couple, and they were so nice. They told him he can keep it and people. They were really, really nice. Papi, don't leave them close to the water. The water will take them. Let's put them where mommy's things are. I was like, no, he doesn't even know how to use them. They were like, no, déjalo. I'm just sitting here in my little blanket. Have much tracks, agua, some off, which I almost never use, but at this time when the sun is going down, it's JJ needs it. And I have one time was able to purchase a natural one that worked really well, and I no longer can get it delivered here from Amazon. So if anybody can recommend a natural one. It's too much. It's putting Tadlasa on his head. of you guys. It doesn't have to be like 100% natural, even if it's something from the drugstore that has pretty clean ingredients y que funciona bien, let me know and I will try to buy it. But this is such a beautiful evening, considering that we've had a lot of cloudy, stormy evenings, thunderstorms, lightning storms, not even rain, just lightning and thunder. So we have a really beautiful sky today. On my vlogs I used to try to always say something at the end that was, I don't know, maybe my thoughts of the week or inspiring. And I used to get sometimes I used to feel a little embarrassed to do that because I never wanted it to sound as if I was trying to give advice. But I have learned so much in the past, well, since the year has started, that has nothing to do with the world or everyone else and everything to do with me. And I think that is where the shift really happened. I don't know, I stopped trying to understand everything. Talking to the ocean. I tried to stop understanding everything and my surroundings and the world events, and I just focused on myself. And I don't mean that in this like, oh, I'm gonna work out and I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna eat better. Not necessarily that. Sort of like the world and the chaos within me to see how much of that actually gets projected into my reality and how much of that I manifest subconsciously. Because manifestation it's not always just about things we want. We manifest things we don't want as well. And we're not even aware of it. Bueno, así que vamos a estar aquí un ratito. Aprovechar que it's a clear sky and we're able to enjoy a sunset. I'm going to just do some little prayers here, some little meditations, swim with my son. Oh, there's like a boat with a family. Like a little boat, a small one, not one of those big yachts. Very humble little boat, very cute. I get distracted easily. Okay, getting back to what I was saying. I want you guys to know that my kids drive me crazy. I have many days where I am losing my cool in my house. They break me. And I just needed to share that because I feel like when I turn on the camera on my phone and I start vlogging and I point it toward us, I'm always capturing the good moments, like these little sweet moments. And I feel like it can seem unrealistic, even though it's real. It's just selective real. And it's just cracking up. He's cracking himself up. So you see, then there are moments when he's hysterically crying and screaming. So I just wanted to share that with you, just in case anyone's like, oh, she's always so chill and relaxed. For the most part, I am. That's just my natural personality. I'm not like a very hyper, or I'm like energetic in a different way. Like I have good energy in a different way. Like if I want to dance, I can laugh, but like to be like all over the place and like, no, that's not me. I'm very like laid back. But my kids can drive me crazy, and that's when I can get. So I just wanted to say that La Vida Mora Puerto Rico is not all these beachy, relaxing, aesthetic cafe in the morning vibes sometimes. I love my babies. I really do. Take care of your kids, guys. There's a lot that they're so exposed to. Just take a moment and just think, what can I do tomorrow that I didn't get a chance to do today? How can I maybe filter out some of the things that they're exposed to, or at least talk to them about the uneasy topics? There's a lot of memes, so they're like flying and sticking to me because I'm sweating. A lot of filter out a lot of this. There's so much artificial dopamine hits for them, and even ones that are not even for fun or for to feel good. Sometimes it's like just media viral videos about fights or violence or bullying. It's just like they're addicted to watching them, and just filter and pay attention. Sometimes I have to smack myself and wake myself up and go, hey, pay attention. You're losing focus yourself because you are on your phone and you're not paying attention to what they're exposed to, what they're watching. So yeah, I'm gonna go swimming. Maybe I'll record that. Let's record that. And then I'm gonna have to get out, and then I'm gonna have to grab my phone, and we're gonna have to make this look all very seamless. But let's record me going into the water. So much for watching. La vida moro Puerto Rico. JJ, tira beso. This is so good. JJ. JJ. Mira la luna. Take the little slice one. Come here, puppy. One hand. I'm gonna put my phone down because now I feel a little ridiculous. This could be a nice thumbnail. Let's see. Okay.